From humble beginnings in post-war Japan to motorcycles that conquered the roads, cars that redefined performance, and even jets that took to the skies. This is the incredible story of Honda, a brand driven by one man's dream and powered by innovation that's changed the world. Our story begins in 1906 with Soichiro Honda, a curious, inventive boy from a small Japanese village. He wasn't born into wealth, but he was born with an unstoppable passion for machines. By his teens, he was repairing bicycles and tinkering with engines. By his 20s, he was tuning race cars. In 1937, Soichiro founded Tokai Seiki to produce piston rings. But the early results? Failures. Rather than give up, he learned from Toyota's quality methods and perfected the process. World War II would soon destroy his factories, but Honda saw opportunity in the rubble. In 1946, with nothing but war surplus engines and a tiny 170-square-foot shack, Soichiro created the Honda Technical Research Institute. His first product? Motorized bicycles using leftover generator engines. When those engines ran out, Honda built his own, the A-Type, nicknamed Bata Bata for its puttering sound. By 1949, Honda Motor Kommerciellenidori was born with their first complete motorcycle, the Dream D-Type. The dream was just getting started. Honda didn't just make motorcycles, they made history. In 1959, they entered the legendary Isle of Man TT race, and by 1961, they were world champions. By 1964, Honda was the largest motorcycle maker on the planet, a title they still hold today, producing over 500 million bikes as of 2025. In 1963, Honda rolled out its first four-wheeled vehicles, the tiny T360 pickup and the sporty S500 Roadster. With chain-driven rear wheels, it was clear that Honda's motorcycle DNA was in its cars too. In the 1970s, models like the Civic and Accord proved Honda could challenge the big automakers, offering fuel-efficient cars just when the oil crisis made them essential. In 1986, Honda became the first Japanese automaker with a dedicated luxury brand, Acura, targeting the US market. 5 years later, the Honda NSX changed the supercar world with its lightweight aluminum body and Formula One-inspired V6. Speaking of F1, from the mid-80s to early 90s, Honda dominated Formula One, powering legends like Ayrton Senna to championship glory. Honda isn't just about cars and bikes. They've built boats, outboard motors, lawn equipment, and even one of the world's most advanced humanoid robots, ASIMO, which debuted in 2000. In 2015, Honda took to the skies with the HondaJet, proving that innovation knows no limits. The 1990s weren't all smooth roads. Honda was slow to embrace the SUV boom, but they rebounded with hits like the CR-V and Odyssey. In recent years, recalls and supply chain challenges have tested the brand, yet Honda's commitment to quality and safety has kept them among the top automakers globally. Today, Honda is shaping the future. They've partnered with Sony to create the Afeela electric brand, launching in 2026. They're investing in hydrogen fuel cells, autonomous driving, and carbon-neutral technologies. And yes, they're returning to Formula One in 2026 as Aston Martin's engine partner. From a one-man workshop to a global powerhouse, Honda's journey is proof that dreams, fueled by determination, can move the world forward. As Soichiro Honda once said, "Success is 99% failure," and that's exactly how you build history. If you enjoyed this journey through Honda's history, hit subscribe and let us know your favorite Honda in the comments.